Do you have a PDF document that you want to edit, but you can't edit it anywhere because the document is scanned? No need to worry anymore. 2NOR Digital Agency is at your side. We can edit any of your scanned PDF documents through Photoshop with 100% accuracy and keeping the scan effect intact in a very short time. Let's show you a short demo, how we edit a scanned document. What you see on the computer screen is a scanned PDF document. First, we will take the scanned PDF document to Photoshop. Then we will write the same text where it needs to be edited and match the same font. We give a 100% font matching guarantee. Then we will match the color and size of the font. If it is matched correctly, we will hide the layer and delete the text below. We very carefully delete the text while keeping the texture in the background. Once the text in the background is deleted, we make the new layer visible again and write the required text in it. Then we carefully add the necessary effects to the text so that it does not look like it has been edited. We do this very quickly and 100% accurately. We guarantee 100% confidentiality of your document. We edit scanned documents in Photoshop at a very reasonable price. So if you want to edit your scanned document or any document, contact us today. Visit 2nor.com, or you can contact us directly via WhatsApp or Telegram. The links are given in the description box. Thank you.